Hello everyone, welcome to the Quiet Aspirant channel. So today we are going to discuss PYQ of Economy of UPSC Prelims 2017 based on the topic National Payment Corporation of India. So the question is in front of you. You can read it from here. So the question says NPCI helps in promoting financial inclusion in country. NPCI has launched RuPay, a card payment scheme. Consider the following statement. Which of the statement above are correct? So we know that NPCI was established to create a robust retail payment infrastructure in India. It promotes financial inclusion by providing low cost, accessible digital payment systems such as UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface, RuPay cards, AEPS, that is Aadhaar enabled payment system, and IMPS, that is immediate payment services. These services make banking and digital payments accessible even in rural and undeserved areas. So accordingly, option 1, that is this option will be the correct option. Now, statement 2, NPCI is launched to pay a card payment scheme. It is also correct as RuPay is India's domestic card payment network launched by NPCI in 2012. It is an alternative to international card networks like Visa and MasterCard and is widely used under schemes such as Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. If you want to remember this, you can use a trick to remember this. For NPCI, N stand for National Payment Scheme, P stand for payments, that is UPI or IMPS, C stand for cards, that is RuPay, and I stands for inclusion, that is financial inclusion. So NPCI is UPI, RuPay, and inclusion. So both 1 and 2 will be the correct option. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos.